Hi there, students. Infatuated, an adjective. Infatuation, the noun. Infatuatedly, the adverb, and the verb to infatuate. Okay, if somebody is infatuated, they have absolute passion. They are desperately in love with something. They think it's absolutely fantastic. This particularly gives the idea that this is unreasoning, that the person can't think straight. So he is infatuated with her. So to be infatuated with something, to be infatuated by something. He's infatuated with the idea of his becoming a famous footballer. Okay, so he's infatuated with this idea. He's inspired with unreasoning love. Yeah, he's so desperately in love with this idea that he can't think straight, that he can't actually see anything that might be wrong with it. Notice, normally if somebody is infatuated with something, if they feel infatuation for it, if it infatuates them, then this is very strong, but it doesn't normally last a very long time. Nobody expected their infatuation for each other to last a very long time. Okay, so it's very short-lived, very intense, passion or admiration for somebody. Yeah, he looked at her infatuatedly. Okay, he is infatuated with himself. Woof, sounds like a terrible person. Yeah. Okay, so if you're infatuated with something, you think it's absolutely fantastic. It's the bee's knees. Yeah. You have this intense feeling of love for it, but so much that you're not able to think logically or clearly about it. So yes, the detective became infatuated with the case and continued to investigate it, despite the fact that he wasn't being paid to do it. Okay, so infatuation. This is very, very strong feelings, but they're normally short-lasted feelings about someone. Let's see, maybe a boy in school has a crush on his teacher. This is an infatuation, but they will get over it. This is not something that's going to last for a long time. So you're possessed by this extravagant passion. You're obsessed. Yeah, you're completely smitten or besotted. Yeah, you're absolutely spellbound, enamored, bewitched by this person. Yeah, you're head over heels in love with them. So she became utterly infatuated with him. Okay, so infatuated, to become infatuated with somebody, to become infatuated with an idea. He was infatuated with the idea that he was going to be the best chef that ever existed. Yeah, and somebody loses their mind effectively with love. Okay, so formality, infatuated, and infatuation. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, although I think you could use it informally. So I think 6 in formality, but use it absolutely anywhere. And then this comes from Latin, infatuatus. meaning infatuated. This actually comes from fatulus, meaning foolish. So the real idea of infatuated from Latin is the idea of to become foolish, foolishly in love with something or somebody. So I hope you really enjoy my channel, but don't become infatuated with it, because it's not doesn't last so long. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Infatuated.